What's up, everybody? Welcome back here on the channel. Today we are continuing the unboxing of the Matchbox 2025 G Case. As you can see, some models are already out of their packaging, and that is just because I already showed them in a previous video. The perfect case would be that I unbox all of them together, but you never know when you get all of them, and I don't want to wait forever. So a few days after these, I found the rest of the G case, and normally I only show highlights, but this, what you see here, I think it's nearly the whole G case. I think there's only one model missing, some US wagon or something, but I don't care about that casting. So yeah, let's get started. And let's take a look at this one here, which I'm really happy about that I found this one. It's the 2025 Mercedes-Benz EQB new casting for 2025. So there we go. Really nice new casting. By the way, this is, in my opinion, it's a great year to start collecting Matchbox models. Fantastic Matchbox year. So yeah, great new casting in, yeah, kind of a pearl white. And once again, this year we get really crisp details here on this one, on the front. Really nice, the grille and the headlights, and this is the back part. I mean, with a license plate it would be perfect, but once again, take a look at these crisp details. Really nice. There we go. Into the parking lot it goes, and we go on with the Ford F350 state bed truck in ink deco. And as you can see, this one I think doesn't have an interior, but it has a moving part, if you like that. Goes like this. Ink deco, in my opinion, is one of the greatest Matchbox decos. Not as cool as National Parks, but yeah, definitely really nice. I like the color combination of blue and yellow, and we have this, of course, this back part here is plastic, and only the cab is metal. Get some white wheels. Nice version. Then the Ford Police Interceptor, which normally comes, of course, in police deco, but this time it comes in a NYC taxi deco. I am not 100% sure why they are doing this, or if there are really some taxis in New York with this deco with a push bar in the front. I don't know. Anyways, and of course we get the light bar from our police models. Yeah, it's okay. I mean, as you can see, we only get deco on the side, and not on the front and on the back. So yeah, it looks a little bit poor, so to say. But anyways, into the parking lot it goes. And then we have this one, the Volkswagen Beetle 4x4. This is a casting. I'm not really sure if I like it. I think I have 2 or 3 other versions. Normally, I think you get it in the 5 packs. But this one has a nice deco, in my opinion. I like this color combination from yellow through orange to red. And yeah, yellow tinted windows, by the way. Yeah, that's all I have to say. So then we have the 2019 Volkswagen Beetle convertible in pink. To be honest, I don't know why I bought this. Oh, this is some There's a little issue on the hood with the paint, some black stains, unfortunately, but yeah. This one comes with a license plate and saying Pinky VW. Okay, that's kind of cool. Crisp details on the back and on the front. Unfortunately, some stains, but we have to deal with that. And then let's take a look at another new casting. It's the Morgan, a three-wheeler. So as you can see, metal base, and I think the body is also metal. So yeah, I think the only plastic part is the interior. I mean, it's not my type of vehicle that I like. As you can see, kind of a Morgan license plate. But if you are into this, it's a really nice casting, and you get a lot of metal. I think the front looks a little bit weird, but yeah, nice one. And our last one, this guy here, the Pierce Arrow XT fire engine. Yeah, that's it. The rest is in French. Matchbox County Fire Deco. Yeah, this one's also pretty nice. A lot of chrome. This, of course, is plastic. Only this part, half part of the cap is metal and half part of the back. Yeah, nice one. But let's take a look at all of our G Case models together. And I mean, once again, if you are starting collecting this year, you get some really great new models. I mean, we all know that Hot Wheels this year has a pretty bad year. A lot of generic, not really good stuff. But I mean, here from Matchbox, today we saw this one here, which by the way is my highlight of this unboxing. The Mercedes MQB in a really nice white livery. So really cool new casting. We saw the BMW 7 Series. I mean, this one looks fantastic. Look at these details on the front. The BMW logo. Such a really great new casting. I mean, I would have preferred a real license plate from Germany or from the US, whatever, over just saying BMW, but the casting and the color is really great. And then we had also this guy here, Cadillac Lyric, also a new casting, which is yeah, pretty cool. And of course, today we've seen the Morgan three-wheeler, which is, in my opinion, very nicely done, and you get a lot of metal. And I think the interior, I mean, it's okay in my opinion. And the rest, well, it's we have seen worse in my opinion. And also, I think this one is also a new casting. Take a look at the base. Yes, it is the GMC 3500 utility truck. So yeah, if you are lucky and run into this case, great Matchbox case, and yeah, maybe we see some models that are included in my personal top 10 Matchbox models of the year 2025. And with that said, thanks for watching, happy hunting, and see you next time. Bye.